Welcome to Etta's Heels exclusive. How to get your spouse to wear heels and totally own it. Here are some tips and tricks to make your spouse wear heels that work like magic. Understanding the why wearing heels isn't just about looking glamorous. Heels are transformative. They change the way she walks, carry herself, and even how she feels. If you want your spouse to embrace them, the first step is helping them understand why it's worth giving them a shot. Start by gently explaining to her how high heels can enhance an outfit or elevate her confidence. Maybe for a special occasion where she wants to feel extra polished, or perhaps she is hoping to create a fun, new experience for date night. Be sure to focus on compliments. For instance, saying something like, "You'd look so elegant in these heels. I think these would really bring out your confidence," can go a long way in helping her feel open to the idea. It's also essential to highlight the benefits beyond appearance. Did you know heels can improve posture? By naturally aligning the body, they encourage standing tall and walking with a purpose. And who doesn't love a little boost in height and presence? Start small and steady. Let's be honest, diving straight into 5-inch stilettos is a recipe for disaster. If your spouse is new to wearing heels or hasn't worn them in years, start with something manageable. A pair of kitten heels, block heels, or even stylish wedges can be an excellent starting point. Low heels provide the balance they need while allowing them to test the waters. Once they've gained a little confidence, they might be ready to try something taller or more daring. Starting small shows you're considering their comfort and not just rushing the process. Remember, the goal isn't to make them a pro overnight. It's about introducing heels in a way that feels approachable. You can even make it an exciting part of her wardrobe journey, pairing those beginner-friendly shoes with outfits they already love to create an effortless style upgrade. Make it fun and playful. When introducing something new, keeping the experience lighthearted and enjoyable is critical. Instead of saying, "You should wear these," try turning it into a fun activity. You could suggest a mini fashion show at home where both of you experiment with outfits and footwear. You could also turn it into a shared challenge. They're hesitant. Make her laugh with a playful offer. She wear heels with you for an hour. Whoever wobbles first has to do the dishes. Laughter and camaraderie go a long way in making the process enjoyable. Prioritize comfort. If there's one surefire way to turn someone off from heels, it's discomfort. That's why comfort should always be your top priority. Thankfully, there are plenty of ways to make wearing heels more bearable, even for beginners. Take small steps, focus on posture, and don't forget to celebrate her efforts. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Etta's Heels.